The SPAW is a one-piece, solid ductile iron house bearing unit, completely assembled, properly lubricated, and ready to install out of the box. It eliminates the need for on-site bearing assembly, which can reduce installation times by over 60%. SPAW is a direct replacement for competitive SAF and SN style bearing units and features a unitized voltage bearing insert. Voltage bearing inserts have an integrated spring-loaded contact seal, which allows up to plus or minus 1 degree of misalignment without gaps in the contact seal to help keep contamination out, and is designed to withstand high contamination environments and keep equipment running. At NTN, we are committed to providing innovative solutions to our distributor partners and industrial customer base.